Reliance Infrastructure Ltd vs State of Goa, a landmark arbitration case. The Reliance Infrastructure Ltd vs State of Goa case serves as a cornerstone in understanding the interplay between arbitration processes and judicial intervention under the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996. This landmark ruling by the Supreme Court of India holds immense value for arbitration experts and workshop discussions, offering key insights into evolving jurisprudence and practical challenges in administering arbitration. Reliance Infrastructure Ltd, a leading infrastructure entity, entered into a concession agreement with the State of Goa for the development and operation of an infrastructure project. The dispute arose when Reliance alleged breaches by the State of Goa, prompting the invocation of arbitration proceedings under the agreement. At the heart of the disagreement was the construction and operational terms of the concession agreement, with Reliance claiming damages and arbitration as the resolution path. This conflict called for a detailed analysis of arbitration eligibility and the rights and obligations of the involved parties. A fundamental question was whether the dispute fell within the scope of arbitrability under the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996, and the terms agreed in the project contract. The case examined if courts had the authority to intervene in arbitration. This was particularly relevant to the appointment of arbitrators, enforcement of awards, and matters where judicial oversight could potentially challenge the sanctity of arbitration. The Supreme Court explored whether certain provisions of the concession agreement aligned with the governing laws and respected the boundaries of arbitration jurisdiction. Concerns were raised about whether the arbitral award, in whole or part, was in violation of public policy or overstepped the defined boundaries of the arbitration agreement. The Supreme Court delivered a comprehensive judgment emphasizing minimal judicial interference, reinforcing party autonomy in the arbitration process. Adherence to arbitration agreements as a cornerstone of dispute resolution. Streamlined principles for arbitrator appointments and case adjudication to uphold fairness and neutrality. This case reflects India's commitment to arbitration as an efficient means of resolving commercial disputes, reducing litigation burdens, and promoting investor confidence. It strengthens India's arbitration framework with clearer guidelines on judicial intervention, making it a vital case study for arbitration workshops and discussions. Experts can glean lessons on balancing public policy concerns with arbitration autonomy, setting the stage for robust dispute resolution practices globally.